Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's the first time and you just came across this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're my subscriber and you're watching, thank you for watching. And now, guys, just look how gorgeous she is on this orange whatsoever dress. Yo, yo. Guys, she's glowing. Okay, so she posted I think it was 2 weeks back. She said her body was still swollen and then after full recovery, she's going to show her full body. So now that the swelling has gone down, guys, look at her body. Sure. And you know one thing about Wandine, she was already a thick person, so her BBL is balanced with the legs that she has because she was already a big girl. So when I go with your slender body, I'm also a slender person. If I go and do BBL, I will look like a chicken. I will have a very small legs with a big behind and I will look very funny. So I wouldn't dare go and do BBL because I don't have this kind of body. Yeah, want Ndlovu. So if they did not tell you that she did a BBL, you wouldn't believe it because her legs are already going with her body. But if she can go and do a third round, she will look crazy. Now she's fine, but if she feels like she wanna go, who am I to judge? At the end of the day, it's her money. I'm just saying that, before you go and do BBL, look at your body, look at your legs, look at your arms. Like, if I go and do BBL, will my legs go match with my body, with my upper body? So, as for Wandy, she really did great job. It really suits her. I don't see anything wrong. She has the best doctor ever. I don't even know who is a doctor. She does not post anything. She just come back and post about like, hey guys, see, she doesn't post at all about where did she go and do her BBL and whatsoever. But wow, whoever is a doctor did a great job. But I don't think that this is about a doctor, it's about the kind of body that you have. So yeah, I'm just saying that this BBL is not for anybody. Even if you have money, don't go and do it. First, you do listen to what I'm saying. Look at yourself in the mirror. If you have wider legs, like, yeah, you can go and do it. But if you have small legs like mine, ah, hmm, you will come back and ask me. Everywhere you go, people will laugh at you like, what did you just do to your body? Because your legs, they don't go with your behind. So yeah, guys, I'm just joking. If you feel like you want it, regardless of the kind of body shape you have, and if you have money to do it, then go and do it. But as for me, I wouldn't do it because it will be drama. I wouldn't sleep. I don't even know how I will go in public with. See you on my
Such
next
body.
video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.